Good morning and a warm welcome to everyone present here. I, along with the members of my class, wishing a very auspicious morning to our most honorable principal ma'am, respected teachers and my dear friends.
It's a new day, a new beginning, and a fresh opportunity to learn and grow. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
Let this thought guide us through the day, to believe in ourselves, to work hard and to keep moving forward with purpose.
The topic of our assembly is government. Today, we will take you on an extraordinary journey through the intricate workings and fascinating structure of our government.
Let us now begin our assembly with the morning prayer. I request everyone to stand up and get ready for the morning prayer.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Where knowledge is free.
Where knowledge is free.
Where the world has not been broken up into fragments.
Where the world has not been broken up into fragments.
By narrow domestic walls.
By narrow domestic walls.
Where the words come out of the depth of truth.
Where the words come out from the depth of truth.
Where the mind is led forward by thee.
Where the mind is led forward by thee.
Into ever-minding thoughts and action.
Into ever-minding thoughts and action.
Into that heaven of freedom, my Father.
Into that heaven of freedom, my Father.
Let my country awake.
Let my country awake.
A positive thought is so powerful that it pulls you out from your current mindset and into that moment. Now, I would like to call Manyavi for the thought of the day. Thought of the day. A good government is one that puts the people first, protecting their rights, serving their needs, and being accountable to them always. I repeat my thought. A good government is one that puts the people first, protecting their rights, serving their needs, and being accountable to them always. Thank you.
An argument is an exchange of ignorance, but a discussion is an exchange of knowledge. Now it's time for a group discussion.
Government is like the captain of a ship. It helps guide the people by making laws, solving problems, and protecting everyone's rights. It is divided into three branches. Legislative makes laws, executive implements laws, and judiciary interprets laws. Each part works together to keep the country strong and fair.
Government is the backbone of our country. It keeps everything running smoothly. A democratic government gives every citizen a voice and a vote.
Laws made by the government are like traffic signals. They guide us and keep us safe.
The strength of a nation lies in the honesty of its government and unity of its
Types of government. Democracy. People choose their leader by voting. Monarchy. A king or queen rules the country. Dictatorship. One person rules and make all decisions.
Levels of government in India. Central government control all the country. Example, Prime Minister, Parliament. State government control individual states. Example, Chief Minister. Local government control cities, towns and villages. Example, Mayor, Sarpanch.
How government helps us? Government provides education, free government schools and midday meal, healthcare, hospitals, free medicines and vaccines, transports, roads, railways and buses, safety, police, army, disaster help, support, ration cards, pensions, scholarships and more.
Our role in democracy. Every citizen above 18 years can vote. We can ask questions to leaders and raise our voice peacefully. We must follow laws and pay taxes.
Important people in government. President of the India, head of the country. Prime Minister, head of the government. Chief Ministers, head of the states. MPs and MLAs represent people in parliament or state assemblies.
How government is chosen in India. Elections are held every 5 years. People vote using EVM machines. The party with the most votes forms the government. A good government listens to the voices of its citizens, understanding their needs and work tirelessly for their welfare and development.
The Constitution of India gives fundamental rights to every citizen like right to education, right to equality, right to freedom, right to vote.
The government also works to protect nature, plant trees, stop pollution and protect forests and animals. It makes laws to control factories and reduce waste.
Government creates jobs by building roads, railways, airports, etc.
During floods, earthquakes, and pandemics like COVID-19, the government sends rescue teams, gives food and shelter, builds relief camps, and provides free medicines and vaccines.
And free school like Sav Shiksha Abhiyan gives scholarship for students and provide maintenance, enforces child labours and laws to protect children from working at a young age.
Government is not just a group of leaders, it is a system that works for us, with us, and because of us.
In the end, the government plays a big role in making our country a better place. As Mahatma Gandhi said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. This means that the government should work for the people and help those in need. A good government is one that listens to its citizens, is fair, and works for everyone's benefit. We should all participate in the democratic process and make our voices heard. Let's work together to create a better future for ourselves and our country. Let's all aim to be active and informed citizens. Thank you.
Government works for the people, by the people, and of the people. Welcome to the land of democracy, where the people's voice is heard. In a country where people dream of justice, fairness, and development, government plays a vital role. The government is accountable to the people. The people have spoken and the government must listen. The government, the people, and the judiciary working together for a better tomorrow. But how does it really work? Let us see through a skit. Scene 1. The teacher stands at the front of students. In front of students.
Good morning, students.
Good morning,
ma'am. Today we are starting a new and very important topic, the government.
Ma'am, what exactly is the government? Is it only the Prime Minister?
That's a great question, Riya. Government is a group of people who manage the country. They make laws, provide services, and protect the right of the people.
Does it mean they boss everyone around?
Not at all. Not at all, Aman. A good government doesn't control. It guides, protects, and serves. Let's understand this better.
Scene 2. The teacher explained that how government works.
Imagine the school has no teachers, no timetable, no rules. What would happen?
That's my book.
No, this is my book.
That's my bench. No, that's my bench.
Stop. That's exactly what happens without rules.
So government gives us order.
Yes. Yes, like school rules keep the class peaceful. Government rules help society run smoothly.
Scene 3.
India is a big country. One government alone can't manage everything. That's why we have 3 levels.
Local government.
I am the local government. I work in villages and towns. I provide clean drinking water, garbage collection, street lights, local roads and parks, birth and death certificates, building permits, property registration. Overall, local government play a crucial role in improving the quality of life for citizens and promoting local development.
Oh, so when my lane got cleaned last week, that was you?
Yes, that's my job.
State government. I am the state government. I take care of each state like Delhi, Punjab, Rajasthan. I manage state hospitals and schools, electricity, state police, roads within the state, transportation, social welfare, environmental conservation, agriculture, education, etc. Overall, state government plays a crucial role in providing citizens natural resources to the citizens by maintaining law and order.
So the chief minister is your boss?
Exactly. Central government.
And I am the central government, the most powerful. I work for the whole country. I handle national laws, army and defense, railways, foreign affairs, currency and banking, healthcare, agriculture. Overall, the central government plays a crucial role in maintaining national security and defense, national finances and economy, and representing the country internationally. In short, the central government is responsible for the country's overall development, security and well-being.
That means the Prime Minister leads you.
Yes, my office is in New Delhi and I work for all 140 crore Indians.
Scene 4.
Let's revise. What does the government do for us?
It builds schools and hospitals.
It repairs roads and gives us electricity.
It helps us in floods and disasters too.
And it makes laws so that we stay safe and fair. Central government handles national level functions like defense, finance, foreign affairs and national infrastructure, while state government focus on local issues like law, order, education, healthcare and local development. Local government focus on handles municipal services like waste management, water supply and urban planning.
Yes, it also gives scholarships, helps farmers, support women and children, and protects the nation's border.
Scene 5.
We live in a democracy. What does that mean?
It means people choose their leaders by voting.
Correct. We don't have kings or queens. We have elections where we vote at a local, state, and central.
So every citizen has power.
Yes, and with that power comes responsibility. Government works like a machine with three big parts. These are called branches: legislative, executive, and judiciary.
Legislative is of a bicycle.
Exactly. Let's meet them.
Legislative branch. I am the legislative branch. I include Parliament, Lok Sabha, House of People, Rajya Sabha, State of Council. We make new laws, debate issue, pass budget representing the interest of citizens. The legislative branch plays a crucial role in shaping country laws and policies.
So you decide what rules the country should follow.
Yes, like making a law to ban plastic or to increase school funding. Executive branch.
I am the executive branch. I include the president, prime minister, and ministers. We implement the laws passed by the legislature, administering government departments and agencies, enforcing laws and policies, appointing key officials like judges, governors, etc. In short, the executive branch executes and enforces the laws and policies of the land.
So you are the action team.
Yes, we turn laws into real things, like opening a school or starting a health program.
Judiciary branch.
I am judiciary branch. I include judges and courts. We are responsible for make sure laws are followed, solve disputes, punish those who break the laws, protecting fundamental rights. In short, the judiciary ensures the laws are in line with constitutions and protects individual rights and freedoms.
So you are like the referee.
Yes, I make sure no one, not even government, breaks the rule.
All three branches work together. Legislative decides what must be done. Executive gets it done. Judiciary ensures it's done fairly.
Like in a school, principal, executive, teachers, legislative rules, discipline committee, judiciary.
Exactly. Let's list our duties as citizens.
Follow laws, pay taxes, vote when we are 18, help others, keep surroundings clean, help in nation building. Oh, so we don't just take from the government, we must give too.
Exactly, Aman. A strong nation is built when government and people work together.
We are the citizens, the government is a guide. Together we build India with rules, respect and pride. Thank you.
Dance has been used as a form of worship and celebration since ancient times. Many cultures worldwide use dance to express their faith and to connect with their spiritual roots. As we witness the praise dancers, graceful movements and vibrant colors, let us take a moment to reflect on the beauty and the diversity of the God's creation through a classical dance.
तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ। कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ। धरती से अंबर तुम ही तुम, धरती से अंबर तुम ही तुम, रंग रंग में लहराओ। कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ। चंद्र की रश्मि, ईश की ज्योति, पुलकित मेरी आत्मा होती। चंद्र की रश्मि, ईश की ज्योति, पुलकित मेरी आत्मा होती। तुम ही हो प्रभु पुष्प सुगंधम, जिसकी महिमा हर पल होती। अपनी दया से मुझको सजाओ, अपनी दया से मुझको सजाओ। मन का टूटा तार मिलाओ, मुझ में समा के मुझको उठाओ। द्वार खुला है प्रभु वर आओ। कौन बड़ा है तुमसे जगत में, तुम ही तुम ही तुम ही तो मेरे। सरता पर्वत वृक्ष में हो तुम ही तुम ही तुम ही तो मेरे। कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ।
Genuine poetry can communicate before it is understood. Poetry is never finished, only abundant. Poetry is an echo asking the shadow to dance. Now Navya and Palak of my class are going to recite an English poem.
The government stands for peace and law to guard the land without a hope.
It builds the road, it lights the street, it keeps the system clean and neat.
It makes the laws almost follow to shape a bright and fair tomorrow.
From school and park to bus to it worked for me, it worked for you.
It helps the farmers grow their grains and shelter people from hunger and pain.
It gives the sick and care the need and helps the nation grow and lead.
But we must play our part as well to vote, obey and never rebel.
Together strong both hand in hand we build a better, brighter land.
Thank you.
Poetry is thoughts of that breathe and words that burn. Now, Yosna Paras is going to recite a Hindi poem.
शिक्षा के दीपक जलाती है हमारी सरकार, ज्ञान का सागर बनाकर सभी को करती है होशियार।
न्याय की मिसाल है सरकार की हर बात, जिसमें होता है हर नागरिक का सच्चा साथ।
नौकरी हो या रोजगार, सब में मेहनत करती सरकार, हर व्यक्ति और सुरक्षित बढ़े सबका व्यापार।
सरकारी योजनाओं से मिलती सबको सुरक्षा, हर जन को राहत स्वास्थ्य की रक्षा।
सरकार की कहानी है समृद्धि की ऊंचाई, चाहे इसके लिए करनी पड़े भरपाई।
एक दूसरे का सम्मान है सरकार की शान, विकास की राहों पर बढ़ता देश का मान। एक दूसरे का सम्मान है सरकार की शान, विकास की राहों पर बढ़ता देश का मान। धन्यवाद।
A painter paints pictures of canvas, but musicians paint their art on silence. A great song should lift your heart, mind the soul, and make you feel good.
Music has healing power. It has the ability to take people out of themselves for a few times. Now, Mudit Kataria is going to present an instrumental performance.
कई जीत बाकी है, कई हार बाकी है, अभी तो जिंदगी का सार बाकी है। यहाँ से चले हैं नई मंजिल के लिए, यह तो एक पन्ना था, अभी तो पूरी किताब बाकी है। अब प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं हिंदी गीत जिसका शीर्षक है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा।
जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई, तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई। देता ना दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था। धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था। सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई, सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई, जन्मी है जहाँ पहले कला। अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला, संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा। भगवान करे ये और बढ़े, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले। है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा। मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा। काले गोरे का भेद नहीं, हर दिल से हमारा नाता है। कुछ और नाता हो हमको, हमें प्यार निभाना आता है। जिसे जान चुकी सारी दुनिया, हो जिसे जान चुकी सारी दुनिया। मैं बात वही दोहराता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा।
Music is the piece of art that goes in the ears and straight to the heart.
Now get ready for a whirlwind of excitement and joy. Now Meenal and Navya are going to give a spectacular English song performance.
Lots of people walk about proud and free. Lift up your head, start looking around. There is a brand new feeling of liberty, like a clear bell that's starting to sound. Plantation boy, come on and get going. Yesterday jeans have broken in two. Plantation boy, the new moon is growing, reaching the hills and the valleys and you. Plantation boy, plantation boy. Lots of smiling faces for you to meet. So many hands to help you along. Just shake off the mud that wisdom you need.
If you stand tall, you just cannot go wrong. Plantation boy, come on and get going. Yesterday chains have broken in two. Plantation boy, the new moon is growing, reaching the hills and the valleys and you. Plantation boy, thank you.
Dance is the loveliest of all the arts because it provides us the slightest excuse to feel and be completely beautiful. Now students of a class are coming to perform group dance performance.
चोरी से छुप छुप के मैंने चोरी से छुप छुप के तिनका सपने रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे हो जाना रे सपने रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे हो जाना रे।
सूरज निकलने का वक्त हो गया, फूल खिलने का वक्त हो गया, मीठी नींद से जागो मेरे दोस्तों, सपने हकीकत में बदलने का वक्त हो गया। हम वो नन्हे फरिश्ते हैं जो हथेली से आसमां को छूने के अरमान दिल में रखकर उड़ने को बेताब हैं।
तो जरा हमको है ये कहना, वक्त है क्या तुमको पता है ना।